Basically, heat is going to be your best friend. If you haven't learned anything from this video yet, that is the one thing you need to know. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Curly Girl Faith, and if you are old, hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, I will be talking about how to maintain moisture in your natural curly hair. Everything I talk about in today's video, make sure you guys jot down some notes, take some tips from this video, because I am not doing this for my health. I am doing this so we all could just be walking around with moisturized, luxurious, act right hair. Everything that I mentioned in this video, I have either went through, I experienced, or I just did, a little bit of research so we both can be informed. I am going to be letting you guys know a handful of things that have worked for me and that I know work for a fact. Now, I'm going to be giving you guys a handful of options on how to maintain moisture and moisturize your hair. Don't just take one or two things, you guys. I'm giving you guys a boatload of things that you guys can do to maintain moisture in your hair. Take some, try some, experiment, and let me know how things work for you. Or if you already tried some of these tips that I have been using for years. So you guys, I'm gonna start off with tip 1, moisturizing and sealing your hair. You need to use a water-based product to moisturize your hair. Exhibit A, water. Water helps everything grow, even your hair, your plants, help your skin glow. Like, you need that water. If your products do not have water in it, it is not moisturizing anything at all. Now, don't forget, when you do moisturize your hair using water, you do have to seal it at the end. They have creams, oils, whatever you think would be a good sealant to lock in all that moisture, go ahead and use that. They have olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil, all the oils and good creams for your hair. So that brings me into tip 2, adding water to your hair. You guys, when I first went natural, I was like, okay, my curls was popping. Then after a couple of weeks, my hair was drier than the Sahara Desert. Okay, and I needed to add water. Natural hair is normally dry, so it is up to you to add water. As much as we would like it, natural hair is not going to moisturize itself. You have to put in that work. When I get in the shower before I do my whole wash day routine, I like to get that hot water, warm water running, and I just let it go throughout my hair because my hair is low porosity. It takes a minute, like 5 to 6 minutes, to actually soak in my hair and just get it all up in there. And when my hair is frizz free, that's how I know that my hair soaked in all that moisture. When you just go in with a shampoo, like thinking you getting all your scalp and stuff without letting that water hit your hair first, baby girl, you are wrong. You need to let that water hit your hair and moisturize it before you go ahead and go with your wash day routine. You need to go ahead and let that water go up in your scalp. Make sure it is just all way down and you're ready to shampoo. Tip number 3. If you have low porosity hair, your hair is already hard for water to get into. So you got to use warm water. Go ahead and put that warm water on. You know what I'm talking about, low porosity girls. Warm water is your friend. And also, by using the warm water, it opens up your cuticles. Cold water closes them. So we don't need that because low porosity, our hair strands are damn near already closed. Anyway, basically, heat is going to be your best friend. If you haven't learned anything from this video yet, that is the one thing you need to know, especially when I deep condition. Baby girl, I slap on that hot head real quick. It just helps my hair penetrate the deep conditioners. Even my leave-ins, like before I get out the shower, I go ahead and slap them on because my cuticles are nice and open, and boom, hair is moisturized and everything is good. Tip number 4, you guys, is to deep condition. Lord, please deep condition. At first, I went deep condition crazy, and then I had this period where I was a lazy natural and I did not deep condition once a week. Girl, my hair wasn't even flourishing like it is now, baby girl, because now I deep condition religiously. I don't know where I would be right now if I didn't deep condition. When I started to wear my curls and everything out, it was just looking not too good and not cute. So I knew then I had to change it up and bring deep condition back into my life. That's where you get all your nutrients, your proteins, and all that goodness in your hair from your deep condition. Like, I don't know who told y'all, hey, I'm protein sensitive, I don't need to do protein. Baby girl, your hair is made of proteins. You need a little protein or your hair is gonna fall out, and I told you so. Your hair needs protein, your hair needs some moisture, all that good stuff. It needs it. Maybe in moderation, but it still needs it, or your hair will not flourish, period. Sometimes when I deep condition, I like to mix them up a little bit. Probably get a moisturizing one and a protein one. Maybe it just be up in my head, but I be thinking I be getting the proper protein moisture balance, and it works for me. So if you guys want to try it out, let me know how it works for you, because I love it. And plus, like, you don't go through your deep conditioners as fast because you're getting a little scoop from this one, a little scoop from that one, and they last longer. So great tip, use it. Tip number 5 is to moisture train your hair. Now, it may seem like it's a lot of things to do, but it's really not. If you get into a regimen, if you get into shampooing your hair a certain way, deep conditioning every week, like, get into a regimen, your hair is gonna know when it's wash day, it's gonna act right, it's really gonna get in line for you. Put more effort into your hair, and your hair will thank you. I'm telling you. Listen to your hair, moisturize your hair, train your hair. Number 6 is to alternate your oils. If you see like an oil is not working for you, don't keep using it because it's like a popular oil, a trending oil. If it ain't working for you, sis, it's not working for you. That's just that on that. They have grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil, almond oil, like all these oils floating out in the world. And it's time for you to go pick a new one, sis, because old one ain't working for you. And don't be acting like it does just because it's popular. Like, your hair is saying no and you're saying yes. Listen to your hair. You have to listen to your hair, and your hair will reward you. I'm telling you, like, maybe if you're using a heavier oil, maybe your hair likes lighter oils. Like, go ahead and experiment. My number 7 tip is to use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel. I've seen so many people use towels on their hair. I'm like, baby girl, where you see that at? Like, who does that? You out here trying to moisturize your hair, and you're just screwing yourself over by putting that dry towel on your hair. Like, you must not be on YouTube, girl. I don't know where you be at. You must be under a rock. Don't do that. Don't do that. You just, all the hard work you done did is going down the drain as soon as you put that dry cotton towel on your head. Y'all be wondering why your hair dry. Stop using the towels. Also, sleeping on the cotton pillows. Y'all be killing me with that. Don't ask me why your hair is dry if you're still sleeping on a cotton pillow. If you don't go to sleep with a bonnet, a satin pillowcase, something, like, help me out. Meet me halfway. Because other than that, I can't help you. I can't. I really can't. Because that's one of the first steps. Like, you gotta help me out. Help me help you. And whenever you think about going to sleep without that satin pillowcase or without that bonnet, you go ahead and come back to this video. And remember that you want moisturized hair. You tired of dried hair. So when you do that, go ahead, put that bonnet on. Go ahead, get your satin pillowcase. And remember what your goals is. And your goals is to get moisturized hair and maintain your moisturized hair. Tip number 8 is to stay away from sulfates, or at least try. Like, we're all not perfect. Come on now. Like, sulfates just coat your hair. They just sit on top. Like, they don't really do anything for you. But if it is shampoo, which I do like sulfates in my shampoo because they really clean my hair, I use it. But that does not stay in your hair. I rinse it out. Haha. You see how that works? I rinse that out. But if it's like a leave-in conditioner, a cream, that's just going to stay on your hair. And your hair is going to be dry throughout the week because sulfates. You really don't want anything that is going to sit on top of your hair to moisturize your hair, because it's not. Your hair is going to be dry AF. Learn from experience, because your girl, I did it. And we're at tip number 9, you guys. Shampoo your hair. Please shampoo your hair. Wash your scalp, wash your ends, wash all in there, because you go to work, you go to school, you go outside, you go get the mail, you walk your dog, and just the dirt from the world, sky, everywhere, life is just all on your hair. You got products on your hair. And how do you expect your hair to grow? How do you expect to, like, your hair to be moisturized? And you know, wash and go and went for a whole week, there's no moisture there. It's getting dry, sis. It's time to reset, shampoo your hair, your scalp, get the clean slate, and start all over. Moisturizing, deep condition, heat, leaving, you see the pattern right there? Moisture training your hair. Don't y'all just want to clean all that stuff off and just start a new week, you know, with fresh hair? Like, your hair is going to be dry, but you hit that reset button and shampoo, you know, and start another week with clean hair, moisturized hair. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this type of content. I want to make sure I bring more informational videos to this platform to help not only you, but other curl friends around the globe. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you guys found any of my tips helpful, or if you guys use them, please comment that down below. I would love to chat with you guys. But that is the end. See you guys in the next video.